live radar and 9-day forecast, so you'll know first. This is First Alert Weather.
Warm and windy today. Went out to a school. We'll be talking about it at 6 o'clock, but they say we are family. So thanks for having me out. Mules there from Lone Jack. A nice day if you don't mind the fact that it was windy, breezy, and also, well, unfortunately dry. We could use some rainfall, but our changes that are moving in, that's why I kind of highlight those on the 9-day forecast. Strong winds, high fire danger, not only tomorrow, but also on Friday too. Future wind gusts, I was showing you that not too long ago, but now here's a closer inspection of that. Numbers really don't dip much at all. 20 plus, 30 plus, close to 40-mile-an-hour gusts. Look toward Hiawatha, 39 during the afternoon hours. And that's why it's impact weather we've been talking about. Any fire that develops could spread rapidly, which is why we're saying do not try to get rid of the leaves this way. It's just too dry and also too dangerous with that low humidity and the strong winds that are expected. Right now we're at 60 degrees, a lot of sunshine. That dew point though, just showing you how much moisture is in the air, not much at all. It was already down to 26 and the temperature's in the 60s. For this evening, 50, clear skies, cool. Tonight, 38, so not the freeze, not the frost we had this morning. 38 will be the low, and then 69 tomorrow. High fire risk out there, which is why it's an impact day, and that's why you see that yellow triangle. As mentioned, though, the exclusive First Alert 9-day forecast comes into view, showing you the changes that are definitely going to be on tap. 38 to 69 degrees as you're looking at your Thursday. It does warm up pretty quickly heading into the afternoon hours, 67 by 2 o'clock, but the high temperature just shy of 70 degrees. But as mentioned, the morning starts off cooler than it should be necessarily. As you see here, we should be at 46. It would be down to 38, but not quite as cold as it was this morning. High fire danger on Friday as well, 73 then. For Saturday, looking like 74, morning temperatures in the 40s. Then it kind of levels off in the 70s for highs. Next chance of rain comes in on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week still mild in the 70s during the daytime hours. Morning temperatures in the 40s and the 50s. But getting back to Saturday, since we are talking about the current making a run for it, it will be nice, but a lighter breeze by then. Comfortable conditions for the second half, as the temperature will be close to the high for the day, which is about 73 or 74 degrees then. But notice here, with the exception of just Monday, that's the only good chance of rain coming in here. So to look at that, this is now First Alert Future Scan, dialed up one of the latest runs of that model I've loaded in, and this is what we can expect early next week. It looks like a storm system tries to move through. Still not quite an abundance of moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. Therefore, that's part of the reason why it's not a widespread or heavy rain, but it does offer the best chance we have. Starts to slide off to the east by late Monday to Tuesday. So that is going to be it for a while. And we're on our 22nd day with no rain whatsoever. The deficit continues to grow, 4+ since right before Labor Day, 7+ since New Year's Day.